Hello everyone, welcome back to Solving Factory. Today, let's see how we can check deleted photos on Facebook. So as you can see, I'm using an Android phone, but you can follow the steps on any device. So first, open the Facebook app and tap on the three lines icon at the top. After that, click the gear icon also at the top. Scroll down until you find Activity Log and click on it. In here, you can see there's a trash button or icon at the top. Just click on it. And now you can see the post you just deleted. Note that those deleted posts will only last in 30 days. So if you don't restore the post or move into archive, it will be deleted permanently. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.